Hi guys, John here. Just a quick tool of the week is several tools today. It's going to be what's in your plumbing box. Everyone should have one. It'll pull you out of a difficult situation if you can keep a few tools in a box that you can just lift and you know that is a plumbing box. Secondly, you should know how to turn your water off, your water supply in your house. If you don't, please find out how you do it, and so that you can turn it off in the event that you can't get hold of a plumber. But until you get hold of a plumber, obviously you want to turn the water off and stop it ingressing through the house. So find out from your neighbour or someone local, if you don't know where it is, to find out how you turn the water off. Mine's is just outside the door, and it's just a case of, it's like a tap. You just turn it until it's shut. Moving on to a plumber's box. My box is full of stuff. Essential bits and pieces that I keep is fibre washers, rubber washers, and just bits and pieces, silicone grease, the good old PTFE tape for taping up the fittings, and various tools as well. Metal cutting pipes, pipe cutters. I've got a little pipe cutter, it's quite small, and it can get into difficult spaces.
Are they just for plastic
These
fit
are
or
for, these are
metal?
for copper.
Copper.
I've got a little wheel on them. So you just rotate that round and cut your pipe off. A few turns and it's cut. I've got a bigger one if you can get in with it. You know, it will do the exact same job. Cut a bit bigger pipe as well. But it's the rotation of it. It's trying to get, it's not all the time. You need a really small one sometimes to get in. Hacksaw, little junior hacksaw, bigger hacksaw, footprints just to get hold of anything. They're adjustable. I mean, we can go out to that size, or we can take them back down to a small size. Other ones is adjustable footprints. You can adjust them by taking a bit out and sliding it into a different hole. That'll give you a walk down on it. Plastic cutters for rigid pipe. Your rigid pipe will get in there and you can just snip it off nice and straight. My little pipe cutter actually can cut that if you're very gentle with it. It's nice to do it with. Important tool, the key tool for the taps. Now, everyone should have one of these to get into it. It's got a head that will turn 90 degrees. That opens up, and this lets you up into the taps to do that. So as you can tighten it with ease. You can rotate it round the other way, and that will rotate the exact same way and clamp on. It's an automatic clamp on. It will clamp, spring loaded, and that gives us into the hard to fit pieces that you can't get into. The UK, it was always a problem trying to get into the taps, but this was the tool. It's not dear, it's about £8 or something, and it's just a multi-purpose tool that it will latch on to everything and you can turn it. That's basically my toolkit for plumbing.
Now that's not quite true, because
Well,
you've got loads of bits and bobs,
yeah,
valves and
valves and
junctions and
shut-offs and stop ends, pressure relief valves. I mean, there's lots of stuff in my box, basically. And the sad thing is, the pressure here can be up to 6 bar pressure. I tend to put reductions on my French pipe coming in, and we reduce that down to 6 bar. Because
no, not to 6.
Reduce that down to 3 bar, sorry. Because the other thing is, the French pipes here are 16mm and we're 15mm, so you've got that problem. And the difference is in between the wall thickness of the pipe. That's why the French use 16mm. It's a millimetre thick pipe, because the pressure is so high here, so they use a thicker pipe. So they have 16mm outside diameter, we have 15mm diameter, and it becomes a problem trying to match it all. So all your stuff from England is...
So if you're a British person and you have a house in France, the fittings, yeah, they won't fit.
Just buy French fittings and connect it the way it should be. But check the pressure on your system. You don't want it running at 6 bar pressure. 3 bars enough to do everything that I need to do. So I put restrictors on mine, and it'll reduce it down from 6 to 3. Boom. And that's just about as much as I can tell you about bits.
Okay.
So see you next time.